Oh my god, I just got my first package at this new house. This is actually a brand I'm working with. I'm working with Kate Spade and Minnie Mouse, and I'm super excited that I'm working with them. One, love Kate Spade. Two, freaking love Mickey and Minnie Mouse. So I actually think it's insane that I get to work with them. So yeah, good morning guys. What is freaking up? It's another day, another vlog in Denver, Colorado. Some of you guys hated on me for saying Denver, Colorado, but I just can't help saying Denver, Colorado all in one sentence. Like, I know everyone knows Denver is in Colorado, but it's just a habit. So for today's plans, Matt and I are about to go get some food. We're gonna get sandwiches at his favorite sandwich spot. I mean, I don't know what a good sandwich spot is like, but I'm excited for it. I'm so excited because I am gonna try to make the David Dobrik $100,000 puzzle. I've been waiting to freaking make this puzzle, and today I am dedicating the rest of my afternoon to making that after lunch and after we take some photos.
I should have told you that I loved you every night. Oh, that's on my mind.
Hey guys, so I just finished my makeup. I literally cannot tell you how fast I did my makeup because Matt was like on a phone call, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna try to go as fast as I can. I did it in like 18 minutes, which is so freaking fast for me, but we're on our way to Snarf's. We're out of the house together. Pretty happy with how my makeup turned out and doing it in 18 minutes. I think I'm gonna start timing myself when I do my makeup, where I literally just try to beat my time every single time. So tomorrow I'm gonna put a timer on for like 20 minutes and then try to beat that and like slowly go to 19, 18, 17, because I literally take like 45 minutes to do my makeup, and I cannot be the only girl that does that. Are you enjoying these scratches?
Yes.
Let me know how long it takes you guys to do your makeup, because I can't be the only one that takes 45 minutes. All right, we made it to Snarf's. What a weird, interesting name for a restaurant. Here we are. Hey guys, we are back home now. Yes, I'm wearing a totally weird outfit, but I kind of dig it. I'm trying Matt's turkey with provolone or Swiss. This stuff is such a good idea.
You didn't say anything right there.
I got a little egg Sammy. That is good. I really like that. We'll definitely be going back for this. Wow. I'm gonna say 4 out of 5. Would 100% be going back.
What? This gets a 4 out of... I'm done. Your rating system is just...
No, I'm basing my new rating system on you.
What was the last thing you rated a 4 out of 5? Let's talk about it.
I rated the chicken place a 4.5 out of 5. I wanna take you there tomorrow. We can walk there together?
Yeah.
Okay.
Look at you making plans for us.
So it's a little bit later. I've been working all morning on my brand deal with Kate Spade and Minnie Style. It's just an Instagram, but Matt and I took a bunch of photos. Actually, I'm not gonna lie, we actually didn't take that many photos because both of us were really hungry, so we took photos before we ate our food. So I think I had maybe like 80 photos, and we did it all in 3 minutes, which is pretty freaking good for me. Normally I can spend literally 15 minutes taking the same photo and the same pose and everything, but I just wanted to show you guys how these turned out. I think by the time you guys see this video, the post should be up by now because I'm working with them for their Lunar New Year's collaboration with Minnie Style, and Lunar New Year's is on Friday the 12th, and today is the 10th, and I don't think this video is coming out till the 13th. Go check out that photo if you guys haven't seen it already, but literally the bag is so cute. And here are the photos that I took. So I just used the wide angle option on my camera. Yeah, how freaking cute. So that's how the photos turned out, but I have been looking forward to this part of the day, this entire day. So as you guys know, David Dobrik launched, or maybe you guys don't know, David Dobrik, who is a YouTuber, the king of YouTuber, who is officially back on YouTube, and holy freaking cow, I cannot believe he bought a $9.5 million home. Like, insane. So fucking proud of him. He did launch a puzzle that you have the chance to win $100,000 in. So today we're gonna get a little bit tipsy. I had lunch, I'm good to go, and we're gonna try this puzzle out. I think I might start it sober and then like see how it goes, then get a little tipsy. All right guys, here is the puzzle. It looks so small, and it's only 20 inches by 20 inches. I don't even know how many pieces are in here. It doesn't say, but the craziest thing is Lauren told me that this should take like 12 hours to finish. And I was like, 12 hours? What? So the goal is to beat 12 hours and to realistically do this by the end of today. I'm literally gonna spend all day doing this, and I can't really be drunk or tipsy the entire day. We're gonna get a little tipsy and see how it goes. I'm really cold, so I'm actually gonna move this table next to the fire so I can sit next to the fire. Oh, it's actually way easier to push than I thought it was gonna be. Oh, damn. Okay, let's do this. I figured I might as well sit right next to the fireplace because it's nice and warm. I have my ginger ale and my Don Julio, and how sexy was that fucking slide? I don't know, I just got excited that it slid. Like, did I just caress and violate this bottle? So here we have the freaking $100,000 puzzle. Before we start, bet how much I'm gonna win. I say I'm gonna win $10,000. I'd literally be happy if I won $35 because that's how much this thing costs. We're gonna manifest we're winning $10,000. I feel like that's reasonable. And before we start this, I actually have not done my daily affirmation today, and I feel like my daily affirmation will help me. So let's just do it together. You guys already know it. I am healthy, I'm wealthy, I'm rich, I am that bitch. I'm gonna go get that bag, and I'm not gonna take your shit. I am protected, well respected, I'm a queen, I'm a dream, I do what I wanna do, and I'm who I wanna be, cause I am me. Guys, the good energy is surrounding us. I'm manifesting it. And we gonna do this. I think I wanna film a TikTok as well, so if you guys ever see me randomly holding my phone, it's because I'm also trying to film a TikTok while doing this. Oh, okay. All right, we're opening up Don Julio. We're gonna take a little shot to start off with. Okay, if I can even open Mr. Julio. Cheers, guys. Okay, Mr. Julio definitely needed to be in the freaking freezer. It's very warm. Not gonna lie, guys, the first thing is already done for me. Look at this, guys. First piece already fucking done. We are officially beginning, starting now. All right, we're trying to beat 12 hours. I mean, honestly, I would love if we could do it in, let's say 5 hours. So how we're gonna tackle this is we're gonna do the border first, of course. And we don't have a photo, so I don't know what's going on. We do have pieces stuck together. Hell yeah, another piece stuck together. We're gonna make sure that all those pieces stay together. Normally when I'm doing a puzzle and I see pieces like this that are stuck together, I actually undo them so I don't cheat. But like, we're just trying to make this go as fast as we can. I'm gonna gather all the little borders. I'm actually really happy he has borders because for some odd reason, I was thinking there weren't gonna be any borders at all. Oh my God, I don't know where to start. One by one, I'm gonna sort them out into pieces that are not borders.
I should've told you that I loved you one more time, one more time.
All right, guys, it took me a solid 10 minutes and I officially sorted out all the borders against the non-borders. Not gonna lie, it's slowly hitting me how hard this is gonna be because I have no photo to go off of and there are so many pieces and they're all green and black. It's like 2 colors. So here is my little pile of borders and my giant ass pile of non-borders. This is gonna freaking suck. Let's go. I guess I should have checked all the corners if I had any corners. Do I have all 4 corners? Oh, found another corner. So I need 4 of these and I only have, oh, I have 3. I wonder if there's like professional puzzle makers and if they have like a system on how they start puzzles that are super hard and they don't have the photo for it. Where's this? I was like, where's the last corner? Found it. All right. Let's go. Guys, it only took me to the 13-minute mark. I found the first piece that goes together. Look at this. I have a 3-way. Hey guys, it is hour 2, so it has been a full hour and 4 minutes since I started. It's not looking too good, guys. I think I have some of the border done, like maybe half of it. I am definitely a little buzzed, but I think I'm gonna take another baby shot right now. So far, not too bad. Like, I feel like I'm working for my $10,000 I'm about to win. You wanna bet how much I'm gonna win? Or do you wanna guess how much I'm gonna win?
25 cents.
With that attitude, I will.
Realistic expectations, babe.
Realistic expectations, we getting married.
Wow, that is pretty realistic.
Is it not?
You want to get married? You don't? What was that? Say it into my face. I'll bite your freaking ear off if I hear any more of that bullshit.
What's bullshit? Wow. I think I'm gonna stick this in the freezer. Oh, I just found another one. Oh my god, I did such a bad job sorting out the borders. I just found one in the pile of non-borders. This is so frustrating. Okay.
Take a sip, you gon' trip. I'm like a cup of shroom tea and
Alright guys, an hour and a half in, and I think I almost have the border, guys. I think I'm just missing 1 or 2 pieces from the border. This is the only piece I'm missing. I need to look for it in this stack of puzzles, but that's pretty freaking good. Actually, that's terrible. That's so bad. That was really hard. I'm 100% missing a piece. I looked through all of my puzzle pieces twice, could not find the border piece. Smart move, David, because if no one finishes the puzzle, then you can't fucking pay them. Where is my last piece? Well, we're missing a piece, but that's okay because we still have a shit ton of work to do.
cut your throat like hot honey. You gon' need water, then want some more me.
Guys, so I think I might be giving up. I've been doing this puzzle for 3.5 hours now, and I have done 7 pieces in the last 2 hours. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I lied. I've done 9 pieces in the last hour and a half or 2 hours. This is insane. Like, this is so difficult, and I can totally see why it's gonna take 12 hours. Of course, I'm gonna still keep going, but I gave up on getting tipsy. I have a slight headache right now because I'm focused so hard. And I feel like if I got tipsy, it's gonna take me even longer. So Matt's making food. I think after we eat, I'm gonna give up for the rest of the day, and then restart this like slowly tomorrow. So I'm so sorry, guys, but this thing is so freaking difficult. I smell food. Oh my god, this is beautiful. Chef Matthew in the house. So we got some veggies with steak and pasta. Yum. So instead of getting tipsy, Matt and I are watching Goodfellas, and I'm gonna make us some cans. I opened my can drawer, and Matt and I are doing 3 total. So he has 1.5, I have 1.5, but normally he does like another round. So he has like 2 to 3 per night. Hey guys, good morning. Guys, I literally get so delirious at this time of the night, but I wanted to end the vlog here. It is currently 12 a.m. Matt and I finished watching Goodfellas, and then I spent the last 2 hours editing videos and making my thumbnail for the house tour vlog. So you guys have probably already seen it, but if you guys haven't seen the house tour vlog, make sure you guys go watch it because this house is beautiful. I was gonna finish the David Dobrik puzzle tonight, but I decided not to do that tonight, and I'm gonna do more of it tomorrow. So if you guys want to see if I won anything, then make sure to stay tuned for tomorrow's video. So I set the timer at 4 hours and 18 minutes, but I'm pretty sure the last 18 minutes I was actually eating dinner. I completely forgot to stop my timer. So I spent 4 hours on the actual puzzle today and barely got anywhere with it. So the question of the day comes from Emma Obera asked, do you miss Los Angeles and Asian Girl Squad? Of course I miss LA, and it's only because I miss the people in LA, but I do really miss my house. But it's actually so fun being able to stay in another place because, I mean, in a way it is vacation for us, but we're still working every single day. It's not like both of us have time off to just explore all the time. It's just been really nice to have like a new change in space, but I really do miss my friends in LA. Even though I really haven't seen Asian Girl Squad because of the whole like COVID stuff, I haven't really seen them, but we still text each other almost every day. I am going to be back in LA next month, so it's only really a month where I don't get to see them, but we still talk. And I do miss LA because I just miss the babies so much. Overall, I don't miss LA yet. It's only been like 4 or 5 days since we've been in Denver, which is crazy because time is going by so fast. Yeah, I don't think I really miss LA, but I do miss the people and like my babies in LA. If you guys want to be featured in tomorrow's question of the day, leave me some questions down below and you guys might be in the next video. If you guys want to see a skincare routine, let me know, but I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Bye.
Hey, you the best part of every single day. Ooh, no matter what I do, I'll be lost in you.